In this video, let us understand what exactly is an automated test. We know that an automated test is a piece of code to test the software code. But what is that piece of code? Well, an automated test is code that throws an error when the actual output does not match the expected output. Let me help you understand with an example. Here in VS Code, which is the editor I've chosen for this series, I'm going to create a new file called index.js. Within the file, I'm going to define a new function. Const getFullName accepts first name and last name and returns the concatenated value. First name followed by last name. We can now invoke the function and store the result in a constant. Const actual full name is equal to getFullName, and we pass in Bruce as the first name, Wayne as the last name. Given these two strings, we expect the output to be Bruce Wayne with a space in between. So let's create another constant. Const expected full name is equal to the string Bruce space Wayne. We can now add a condition to check if the two are equal or not. So if actual full name is not equal to expected full name, we can throw an error saying so. Actual full name is not equal to expected full name. To run this function, in the terminal, type node followed by index. We don't see anything in the terminal. However, if I change expected output to Bruce Wayne without a space, rerun node index, you can see we now have an error. Bruce Wayne with a space is not equal to Bruce Wayne without space. We have our automated test working as expected. And this is exactly what Jest is going to help us with, as we will see a few videos down the line. But for now, I want you to make a note that an automated test is code that throws an error when the actual output does not match the expected output. It will pass when the output is correct and provide meaningful feedback when it is not. If this is clear, let's proceed to the next video where we will set up our React project. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.